In this video, I will show you how to download and install Kali Linux in VMware. First, I need to go to my browser and search Kali Linux download. Then I need to click Kali Linux official website. Then I need to search Kali Linux for VMware Workstation. Here I will download VMware pre-built image for Kali Linux. Now I need to download it. After download it, I need to extract it. I will give you the link. How can I download and install VMware Workstation Pro 70 as free? Now I need to open my VMware Workstation Pro. Here I will use VMware Workstation Pro 70. Now I need to click Open a virtual machine. As I downloaded the full packages of Kali Linux for VMware Workstation, so I need to click Open a virtual machine. Now I need to look at the packages. Now I need to change some setting. I need to change my network setting as a bridge connection. Here I can use as a net or as a bridge connection. Then I need to open the virtual machine. The default user and password of Kali Linux machine is username Kali and password is Kali.